welcome back to my channel. So we have a very just chill setting. I'm just sitting at my makeup desk. The only lighting that I have is my big mirror, which has really good lighting. I have to go to work in like 2.5 hours ish, and I wanted to film a new series. Not a new series by any means. I'm not the only person that's ever thought of this. I've gotten this idea from a lot of YouTubers, and I thought it would be an awesome way to rediscover my old loves from like my old palettes. If you can't read the title, you've seen on the title already, this is my like throwback series or my flashback series. It's either gonna be on Thursday or Friday. I don't know which one I'm gonna want to do yet. I'm thinking throwback Thursday, but it might be flashback Friday also. But I just wanted to like sit down, talk about all these like old palettes. I want to do some drugstore palettes, some higher end palettes, and yeah, so I just thought this would be so much fun to do. So today I wanted to do the Anastasia and Makeup by Mario Master Palette. I'm obsessed with this palette to this day still. It's incredible, but I do not use it enough, like at all. So that's why I wanted to sit down and use it. Now, unfortunately, this palette isn't available anymore, but I know a lot of people have it still. So I just thought it'd be fun to do a tutorial like this. And if you don't have this palette, you like these colors or like these similar colors are like should be in a palette that you already own, because besides the blue and the green, these are very, very neutral colors. But you could easily get that blue and a green in a single from like Urban Decay, Buxom, NYX. But yeah, so I wanted to use this one today. Don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do yet. I literally just decided a few minutes ago that I was gonna use this palette today. But I just wanna jump right in because I really wanna just start using this bad boy. Okay, so I am going to prime my eyes first. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer to prime my eyes. I love using concealers to prime my eyes. Okay, so lately when I use this concealer or like Tarte Shape Tape, I haven't been setting it because it basically sets itself, and when you don't set your concealer, your pigmentation is going to be a lot better. So I want to go in with Lula right here. It's just a very cool tone, like neutral brown. Cool tone neutral brown. Does that make sense? It's just a very cool tone medium brown. That's what I like about it. It's like that perfect transition shade. We're just gonna start with it with my very stained Morphe M441 brush. Just gonna pick up a little bit of that on here. So you have that as our transition color. I am gonna go in with Violetta, and I'm gonna use this on my outer corner and bring it up into my crease just a little bit. Gonna try not to blow it out as much as I did with Lula. Gonna take it on that same brush though. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on the tip. I'm first gonna place it down like that and just kind of bring it in, just keeping it directly in that crease. God, I forgot already like how much I loved this palette. I want to do something kind of fun, and I don't know if I'm gonna like hate this, but I want to use Claudia today. It's that blue color. I'm obsessed with it, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna leave it like this for right now, and I'm just gonna take a, let's see, where's my brush? We're just gonna take just a flat shader brush like this. This one's just from Wet n Wild. I love the Wet n Wild brushes. They are like just a few dollars for each, but we are just gonna take that and we're gonna place it right in the middle first. And I'm just gonna drag it out to the, yeah, I like that a lot. I'm trying not to put as much pigment in the front here because I'm gonna take Fifth Avenue, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner and then like drag it onto my lid a little bit. But first I am gonna take a little bit more of Violetta and just blend that in. With this series, I'm thinking about doing some limited edition palettes that I know a lot of people still have, and I'm gonna do some that are still available. Like I want to do the Modern Renaissance palette. I have like my Tarte Pro palette that I haven't used in forever that I really want to dip back into. So I am gonna take a little bit more of Claudia on my finger here, and I'm just gonna press that in the middle because I did lose a little bit of like the shininess to it after blending. And then we'll just take the brush, blend it out. Okay, so that is what I want to do for the top. I'm going to take a clean blending brush really quick and just... Oh wait, no, that's not what I want to do for the eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of Fifth Avenue just on a very small brush here. And to start with, I'm going to end up going back in with this color, but I'm going to place that on the inner corner right there. Really not going in far at all. Because then I'm also going to bring this in the inner corner, but I'm going to do that after I have my foundation and everything on. Ooh, I like that a lot. So that is what I'm going to do for the eyes. I'm going to quickly do my lashes and brows off camera, and then I'm just going to speed through the my face makeup and everything like that. Probably going to throw on some lashes. Don't know quite yet. I'm going to start with the Studio, the Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte, and then go from there. So yes, BR. Into the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit of Violetta, and I'm gonna put that pretty close to my this lower lash line. I almost said this thing because I couldn't figure out the word. Sorry, I'm obsessed with Ariana's new song. I cannot handle it. I'm gonna take a little bit of Fifth Ave. This is not the, no, I do want to use this brush because I'm gonna take a little bit of Claudia on the under lower lash line also. Ooh, yeah. I wasn't sure how that was gonna look, honestly. Yeah, I really like that. Because then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Fifth Avenue then. I'm gonna take it on this little pencil brush and I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner, up here a little bit more, and then down a tiny bit. Because then that also covers some of the blue that I got into the inner corner also, so it doesn't look like we have a very dark circle under. I'm going to take a little bit of this bronzer again because my nose is just looking a little weird. I'm just going to take it on this stipple brush. And then I'm going to take a little bit more mascara. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Use this palette once and breaks it. I really hope that you enjoyed this first video of my Throwback Thursday series. I'm really excited because this will really give me a chance to play with old palettes that I loved and see how I still feel about them. I still really love this palette. I actually want to use it again and like use the shade Paris and the shade Bronx because I'm obsessed with these two also, and I think those would be really pretty together somehow. But yes, I'm obsessed with this palette still, and I'm really happy that I got to use it today, and I'm happy that I got to start this series. My camera battery is flashing at me, so I'm going to try to finish this little outro real quick. So yes, thank you again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, comment down below one of your favorite palettes that you used to use all the time. Maybe I'll film a video with it. And as always, I really love you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Follow all my social media down below. And that's it. Okay, love you guys. Bye.